Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Welcome to episode 5 of Geofatboy's Everyday Shave. Today's razor will be the Merkur 34C. I like to call this razor the workhorse of the industry. I actually have 2 of these. I think this is the newer one. The other one, it's been used, abused, put away wet, worked hard, still runs like a champ. Nothing wrong with it. These razors are bulletproof, seriously. The head is polished chrome, as you can see, and then polished chrome up at the top. It's a tapered band right here. Below that, a smooth polished band, and then after that is this cross-hatching or checkered knurling on the handle, then another smooth band down at the bottom, and this reads Merkur, Solingen, Germany. That's inscribed right into the lower portion of the handle here. And then there's 2 vertical bands which assist in grip, with a grooved smooth band right in between there. And the bottom of the razor, it's got a hole in it. There are some stands with a pin where you can drop this right in, which is pretty convenient. It is a 2-piece razor. As a lot of these razors are 3-piece, this one's so easy. Just spin the little dial at the bottom, remove the top cap, bam. Insert your blade, you're ready to go. Nice and easy. Speaking of blades, we will use the blade that comes with the razor. You get one test blade with it. A Merkur Solingen rust-free stainless blade. Let's take one out of the paper. As I said, one comes with the razor, not the whole pack. Insert it over the post and the 2 pins. You see how long that post is. Most are not that long. And drop it right back down into the razor. You don't even have to touch the top. Just tighten it, lock it down, and that blade reveal is perfectly even all the way across. Take a peek. So this is the razor I'll shave with today. The specs on this razor, 34C, it weighs in at 2.7 ounces or 78 grams. And the overall length from top to bottom is 3.25 inches. That's 3¼ inches or 82 millimeters. Shaving cream I'm going to use today, this will be a blue shave. Proraso Blue Aloe and Vitamin E shaving cream in the Shave Nation Midnight Blue Bowl. And the Proraso Omega shaving brush. Let's warm up the bowl under the hot water. It's ceramic, so it will retain some heat. We're gonna crack the cap on our Proraso Aloe and Vitamin E aftershave balm. I got sprayed by it. I'm just gonna drop a little bit right down into the lather spot, just like that. And we'll take our Proraso Omega brush under the hot water. Just saturate those tips. This is a bore brush. Good on hard soaps, good on soft soaps. Works on anything. Just press the tips down into that lather spot, down at the bottom. And within seconds, you've got lather coming up around the sides. As you can see, just scoop that right back down to the bottom. Just like that. It's got a nice scent, nice clean fresh scent to it, not overwhelming, it's just a light scent. I don't know what Aloe and Vitamin E would smell like, but it's a soothing scent. All right, got plenty of lather here for what we need to do. Look at that, no problem. Set that down, I'll warm up my face, we'll get right to the shave. All right, my face is good and warm, as you can see. Let's pick up our brush and our copious amounts of lather. Let's lather up. You can see the mustache, the Top Gun mustache is coming in pretty nicely. I've had a few suggestions to color the mustache, so I may even do that in the next video, next 1 or 2 vids, just so you can see how to do that for yourself. Drive that shaving cream right into the beard. Little figure 8, smooth everything out. Set the brush down. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Here we go, wet fingers and all. Easy to grip. Just grab the knurled portion, that checkered hatching. Very easy to hold on to. Let's find our angle, loaded with a Merkur blade. Flip it, one side's filled up. Right down the neckline. Excellent. Rinse that. Rinses out very easily, no problem. Left side. Gonna find that angle where the top cap, the safety bar, and the blade all come together. That's the perfect angle. Forget 30 degrees and all that. And you can just do it by feel as well. You know when it's cutting and when it's not. Clean out that cleft. Right down the neckline. Pleasure to shave with this razor. All right, let's rinse that. A quick face rinse. Grab the brush and bowl, relather. Just a light coating on this second pass. Swipe the neck. Clear the runways again. All right, here we go, across the grain. Backhand. Rinse that. Against the grain and the neck. Very easy to hold on to, even with the wet fingers, no problem. You can really whip this little razor around. All right, very good. Another slight rinse. Let's just hit those cheeks. Against the grain, this will give you that baby smooth. Don't scrape like this, but skim. Skim the skin. A little stretch down here. Skim it. That removes that final outer coating of beard to get you perfectly baby smooth. Excellent. Okay, let me rinse this. Rinse the face with warm water and then cold water. Let's take our Shave Nation Wide Stick Allen block. Just glide that all around the areas you just shaved. Give you a little bit of feedback on your shave. If you get some stinging, maybe you went too close over the same area too many times, but we're not getting any stinging. This will also seal off any small nicks or weepers if you get any. We didn't get any weepers either. Just a nice, close, comfortable shave. Cap that. Let it soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Dry the fingers, pat the face dry. Remove the cap on the Parasso Aloe and Vitamin E Aftershave Balm. This is actually an old bottle, the newer bottle. It has an old-fashioned look to it. It's got more of a rounded shape to it. This is more of a square shape. Just massage that right into the skin. Excellent finish to the shave. The Aloe and Vitamin E will offer you some protection. Keep the skin moist. Very nice. Excellent shave provided by this Merkur 34C. As I said, the workhorse of the industry. Cheeks, chin, neck, baby smooth. It's really a pleasure to shave with this razor. Really nice. And it's pretty much bulletproof. It's been dropped. It's been banged up. It's probably hit the sink a couple times and it takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Just keeps going. No problem. Plus it's a two-piece razor. Some of those three pieces, you drop them on the floor, the threads will break off inside the handle. Does not happen with this razor. This thing is sturdy, strong, German engineering. On to Geofatboy's aggression rating for this razor. I'm going to give this razor on a scale of 1 to 10, a 5. This razor is right down the middle. Every day, every other day, fantastic shaving razor, as you saw with the Merkur blade. You could probably crank it up a notch from the Merkur if you wanted to toss a feather in there. Probably would crank it up, possibly even to a 6. But with the Merkur, you could see I had 1 to 2 days beard growth. Again, the everyday shave, that's what it's all about. And the Merkur blade, pulled it off, removed it, no problem whatsoever. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says show more. You can grab them right there. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, and they'll pop right up. Please like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. All my shaving videos, up to about 462 videos right now, I believe it is. So share the love of wet shaving. That's what it's all about. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.